Hello, and welcome to my trade recap. So, I missed the first trade here, recording it, but I'm about to enter Tesla. We have a pop, pullback, and then I'm taking this candle over candle right now. I got in on the ask at $12.50 for one contract. And I'm looking to catch a move to the top of this range right here, which would be high of day. And if the trade doesn't work out, my stop is below this prior candle here, to the where my mouse is. This one right here. I have two mice going, so this one right here. And see, this isn't getting the follow through like I wanted it, like I was hoping for. So I might have to stop out. I don't. So far, let's see what we can get. And when I get to in a second here, I'm gonna get to. It's looking like I'm gonna get to the top of this range, and I'm not gonna just get out. If I had on two contracts, I would have just got out. But I'm gonna see what it does. Get a move. It's kind of dying out here, so I'm gonna throw an order out on the mid price to get out, and I'm filled. So that was just a $55 trade. I mean, it's not much. I've been struggling in this current market, to be honest. So with Amazon here, consolidation on the 1 minute chart, I'm getting in now. I got in on the ask. For the most part, especially with Amazon, I usually get in at the bid price, but the moves just haven't been the same for me. So I'm just going to take this quick profit. So I don't know why this isn't updating right away, but in about 10 seconds or so, that trade's going to show up. I don't know what happened with the recording or whatnot, but that was yeah, 96 cent, $96 trade. So it should show up in a second here, and I'll be up about 232, I believe. That's with commissions taken out, so it should show up here. And I hope, excuse me, I hope everyone. See, it's barely. I mean, it's 1170 on the ask right there. I got 1140, so it's like $30 more. But so 232 there. Anyways, I hope we get some better price action and momentum, and hope everyone has a great week. And yeah, unfortunately, this is the best I can come up with within the last week since I posted my last video. So thankfully, I haven't really lost much, but I'm really not, having too good of luck. So good luck to you all, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.